Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to adjust the brightness and contrast in Splice. Splice is a powerful and beginner-friendly video editing app that lets you create professional-looking videos right from your phone. Whether your clip looks too dark, too bright, or a little flat, Splice makes it easy to fix lighting. Use simple adjustment tools like brightness, exposure, or the contrast, and if your video does not look clear or vibrant enough, adjusting brightness and the contrast can completely transform in just few minutes. So first, open to your Splice, and if you do not have a Splice app yet, you can go to the Play Store or the App Store and download it from there as well. And over here, once you launch your Splice app and open to an existing project, or you can simply create a new one, as I'm going to select one of the tracks and import the video clip that you want to edit over here. You can simply select to the clip, tap on the video clip in the timeline at the bottom of your screen. Once selected, it will highlight and show the editing option. You can tap adjust on the bottom there, and over here you can look for the exposure and slide right to make your video more brighter, or slide left to make it darker. And if your video was recorded in low light, slightly increase the exposure will help make details more visible. You can also add to the contrast here, slide right, increase contrast, brighter whites and dark black, and slide left to decrease the contrast, softer and more faded look. And play your video to preview the changes once you're satisfied, and after that you're ready to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.